Hey guys, let's craft together. Part 3 on this Georgia peach wreath. You're going to grab 4 pipe cleaners and cut them in half and make a V and thread those right through those brackets on your wreath form. So we have 8 brackets, so we are just going to thread all 8 of these right through and attach them to the brackets by giving them a few good twists. We're then going to grab our 10-inch deco mesh and we are cutting out 8 pieces at 25 inches, and we're going to attach all of these using the Cruffle method. So you're going to let that deco mesh roll in on itself a few times, pinch the middle, walk your fingers to the other side, and attach that right down into those pipe cleaners and give those pipe cleaners a few good twists. So stinking cute. Alright, let's speed that up. So we're going to do this 8 times because we have 8 sections. You're going to let that deco mesh roll in on itself a few times, pinch the middle, walk your fingers to the other side, and just lay those right down into those pipe cleaners and give them a few good twists. Look how cute this base is looking. We're then going to add our sweet as a peach sign, and I just hot glued some pipe cleaners to the back and I'm just threading them through right now. Stay tuned for part 4 and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.